Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make sculpted olives. They're going to be on an ice stick, like if you're putting them in a martini. It's so much easier than you probably think, so here is everything you're going to need to make them. You're going to need some 3D sculpting gel. I like to use the one from Macart. I'm going to have it linked in the description of this video, and it's also in my Amazon storefront. You're going to need the clear one. When working with this product, you want to make sure to wear gloves so you do not get contact dermatitis. You're going to need two different kinds of gels. You're going to need a green one that looks very similar to an olive. And you're also going to need a red, which is, I don't know what that red part inside of an olive is. I'm sorry, I'm not an olive girl. I don't eat them. But, you know, it does have a little red thing in it. So that's why you're going to need red gel polish. You will also need something to lay the sculpting gel on that you can put in the UV lamp and the gel won't stick to it. I use the back of one of my shipping labels. So here I am, I'm starting with the clear sticks or the ice picks or whatever they are that the olives are on. You're going to grab just a big ball of the sculpting gel. Very simple, you're just going to pull it apart. And you're going to make it as thin as possible by pulling it apart. Very easy. And then you're going to lay it on something. Again, I'm using the back of a shipping label. It's just so it won't stick to it, and I'm going to go ahead and cure that in my UV lamp for 60 seconds. And this is what it looks like when it comes off. Very easy. I'm going to go ahead and cut it, trim it into the perfect little pick for my olives. And that is what I came up with. It's very thin, sorry if you cannot see it. And then I glue it to the nail. I just use rhinestone gel, nothing crazy. Go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. And while it's curing, we're gonna start doing our olives. To get the perfect olive shape, I would roll it into a ball with your finger and then slightly put some pressure on it so that the ball like kind of flattens in the middle. And voila, you will get a cute little olive. There it is. You do not have to glue it to the nail. You're just going to stick it on top of the ice pick that we made. And then just put it in the UV lamp for 60 seconds and it will automatically stick. And then I did the other two off camera, but I did cure them individually. There they are, super easy. And then here comes the fun part, painting our olives. I'm going to use that green from Valentino Beauty Pure. And I did paint one, cure it, paint the second one, cure it, paint the third one, cure it. I just found working on each one individually makes the olive just come out cleaner. The gel doesn't run to the next one and get all mushed together to where you have to clean it. It just makes the whole process a lot more easier. Once you finish painting them, you're going to go ahead and add the little red dot. I actually Googled what it is, and it is a pimento pepper. You learn something new every day. So yeah, you're going to go ahead and add the red dot for your pimento pepper and cure that for 60 seconds once you're done. After that, you're going to go ahead and trim your ice pick so it's not sticking out too much and it doesn't get caught on things, but you still want it to stick out a bit so you can see the design. Lastly, you'll add top coat, and that is it, you guys. It's very simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. And if you do this, tag me because I want to look and I want to share. Okay, bye.